All right, so the question here is x plus 3 a factor of this polynomial, negative 4x cubed plus 5x squared plus 8? Okay, the only way we can find out if it's a factor or not is if we divide them together and the remainder is 0. Okay, so if the remainder is 0, then x plus 3 would be a factor of the polynomial. Okay, so let's go ahead, we'll do synthetic division because we're dividing by a linear factor, so we'll divide by negative 3 here. Okay, and then we'll write out the coefficients of the polynomial. Right, so we've got negative 4x cubed plus 5x squared. You notice there's no x term here, right? So I want to put a 0 in the place of that x, and then we'll put the 8 there, right? So remember, these four numbers represent the coefficients of this third degree polynomial. First thing we should do is always bring down the first number, right? 3 times 4 gives us 12. We add these together to get 17. 17 times negative 3 is negative 51. We'll add these together to get negative 51. Negative 51 times 3 gives us 153, and then add them together to get 161. And that's the remainder here. Okay. Well, it doesn't matter what number it is, right? As long as it's equal to 0 or not equal to 0, right? So in this case, what can we conclude? We can conclude that because the remainder is not 0, then x plus 3 is not a factor of this polynomial.